Katelyn Alsop had a dream of becoming a professional photographer, and in 2008, she took the first step towards making it a reality by starting a photography side hustle from her college dorm room. Despite the difficulties posed by the height of the recession, Katelyn never gave up on her dream. Fast forward to today, and Katelyn is a self-made millionaire and the proud owner of Katelyn James Photography. With the help of her husband, Michael, who joined as Chief Financial Officer in 2013, Katelyn has taught over 100,000 people around the world about photography and entrepreneurship. In 2022, Katelyn's hard work and determination paid off as she brought in a whopping $240,000 in monthly revenue, with 80% of it being reinvested back into the business. The majority of this revenue, $230,000, came from passive income through online courses and training materials. Katelyn's journey to success was not easy, as she worked 40 or more hours a week while still being a full-time college student. She started small, charging just $750 for 6 hours of photographing and editing. However, her passion and dedication paid off, and by 2013 she was earning 6 figures. With the help of a mentor, Jasmine Starr, and by taking online courses, attending workshops, and taking on projects for free, Katelyn honed her skills and became one of the most sought-after photographers in the industry. She noticed that there wasn't a lot of affordable photography training available and took it upon herself to bridge the knowledge gap by starting a blog and sharing tips and tricks with her followers. 8 years into her journey, Katelyn realized the potential of online photography education as a scalable business. She built an email list of 7,600 photographers who wanted to learn from her. And with the help of a videographer friend, she developed outlines, designed workbooks, and recorded and edited course content. In November 2015, Katelyn and Michael launched their first online training program with a goal of making $15,000 in total sales. However, their hard work and the trust they had built with their customers paid off, and on the first day itself, they made over $160,000. This success showed Katelyn the true value of making photography education accessible, and she has since created over a dozen downloadable courses, ebooks, and templates for various photography skills. The resources are inspired by the questions asked by their online community of over 70,000 people, and they cover topics such as posing couples and natural light photography. Katelyn also has a monthly membership product, KJ All Access, where photographers of all experience levels can follow her as she shoots events and handle unpredictable situations. New videos are shot by her videographer and edited by Katelyn each month, and members have access to a library of past videos as well. Katelyn's passion for her job is contagious, and she loves being in complete control of her schedule, which allows her and Michael to spend more time with their 3 kids and pursue projects that excite them. This year, they co-founded Acton Academy West End, a school geared towards entrepreneurial families that equips children aged 5 to 8 with the tools to find their unique passions through hands-on activities. Whether it's creating resources that help photographers build a career that supports their family, capturing beautiful wedding moments, recording podcasts, or just sharing the ups and downs of their everyday life on social media, Katelyn and Michael's goal is to change people's lives and inspire others to pursue their dreams. All of that while earning a good living and working just 4 hours per day.
I'm the Market Monkey, and if you found this video useful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing and turning the notifications on. This video does not constitute as financial nor trading advice, and to be frank, you'd be crazy to follow the directions of some random gorilla on the internet.